Today we're making the Overcast Beach Day from Southern Teague. This recipe can be found in his book, I'm Just Here for the Drinks. This is a tropical Ramos Gin Fizz, and the words tropical Ramos Gin Fizz might be the most exciting collection of words I've ever said in my entire life. Now the recipe does call for Plymouth Gin, which I don't have anymore. I could summon another gin, which you might want to do, but I do have this coconut oil washed Plymouth Gin, and this seems like the best time to use this. And if you want to know how to make that and another cocktail to use it in, you can watch the Blue Leilani video I did where I cover this coconut oil washed gin. And speaking of washing, today's video is brought to us by GEOLOGIE. GEOLOGIE creates simple and effective skincare and hair care routines customized just for you with ingredients that are proven to work. Everyone has unique needs when it comes to skincare, and GEOLOGIE creates a simple and effective skincare routine personalized for you to get the results that you want to see. And they make this personalized process easy. You click on the link provided, you take a 60-second diagnostic quiz. With a few clicks, tell them about your skin and your goals, and their team of dermatologists will design a personalized routine just for you that is shipped directly to your door. It is that simple. Something I really appreciate is the easy instructions. They give you a card that tells you exactly how to use it and when to use it, and you don't even need the card because on the bottles, they tell you the amount to use and when to use it. It's that easy. Use my link and code and grab 70% off your personalized skincare trusted. That's a full month trial for just $12. Plus you get a free gift and up to 50% off add-ons. Trust me, your skin will thank you. I have studied the Ramos Gin Fizz at great length. It's the first cocktail that I ever obsessed about. The dry shake, the reverse dry shake, shaking with the coil of a spring, shaking for 1 minute versus 8 minutes with every variable in between. I have done them all, and I've come to 3 conclusions. First, you really need to shake it for 6 minutes. Okay, that's kind of the secret here. And second, sticking it in the freezer is cheating. It's kind of like how, the Yankees are using these new bats that everyone's talking about. Technically, it's legal and fair, but I don't know. Kind of seems like an a-hole move. I don't even care. That's just a check mark for inserting a topical sports joke. And the third conclusion I came to, is that this is all just too much work. The drink's good, but it's not worth the work. There's not enough reward, in my opinion, but there is an easier way to make a frothy, foamy Ramos Gin Fizz. And all you need is the help of a drink mixer. 15 to 20 seconds here, or a 6-minute shake. I'll let you decide what you want to do. I'm going to use this today. So let's get started here, and I will start with 2 drops of orange flower water, half an ounce of pineapple juice, half an ounce of orange juice, 3/4 ounces of coconut milk, 1.5 ounces of Plymouth Gin, and then 1 egg white. And I'm going to top this with some club soda. So there you go, the Overcast Beach Day by Southern Teague. Cheers. So light. It is super coconut forward. The coconut milk plus the coconut gin, which the recipe doesn't call for. It's not sweet, and in fact, it's very dry. I think most people would probably like a little bit more sweetness here, which you could do by maybe bumping up the juices or just adding a little bit of simple syrup. But I like it. You can taste the orange flower water and the coconut. It's just a little bit more refreshing than a normal one because it doesn't feel as heavy with the heavy cream. But yeah, I think for some of you, if you like a sweeter pina colada style cocktail, you're gonna want to add a little bit of simple here. So there you go, the Overcast Beach Day by Southern Teague. And I'll just say, I don't know if there's any gin fizz where I at this point in my life, I think is worth me shaking for 6 minutes, even 5 minutes. But if you have a drink mixer, try that. If you have an immersion blender, you could try that with just a little bit of ice. I used about half the ice I would normally use, about half a cup. And then I just sort of put it in there for as long as I felt like it. So it got nice and foamy. And if you really want to dive deeper into the gin fizz, then yeah, you gotta, your goal here is to have that foam rise out of the top in a straight column, doesn't bow out, doesn't fall over. You can at least get a good inch on it. And then after some time, after a few minutes, you'll look and there won't be a separation here. There won't be this layer of foam followed by liquid. The whole thing will be liquid. That's how you know you've done it right. So that's it for this one. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like below. Consider subscribing. If you want to support this channel more, check out my Patreon page. And otherwise, I will see you on the next one.